The Ulanzi G9-5 actually only has two foam inserts. There's one right here on the battery door cage, and that's only if you're going to be working with a battery door cage to where you want to replace the battery. This cage will work if you're going to be using the original battery door on the GoPro, but if you're going to be replacing batteries, it might be easier to work with this. The other foam insert is right there, and it's just a small square foam insert right here, and that just reduces the internal the internal portion of the cage. It just reduces the camera from bouncing around too much to where there's a low vibration frequency or low vibration oscillation shake. But other than that, the camera cage is built to such tight tolerances to where the camera fits just perfectly in there. In fact, if you're recording in hot environments, there might be situations where the camera expands due to heat or contracts due to cold. The camera body itself is more likely to contract or expand with temperature than the cage itself. And you'll discover that when you try to remove or install the camera into the cage, you'll find some resistance every now and then. But once the camera is in there, it's perfectly fine. The outer surface of the GoPro camera is it's a soft plastic touch type of material to where it'll be fine. It's not going to scuff up the camera if you put it in or out of the cage. So I hope that answers your question. If you have further questions, leave a comment. Thank you.